Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Trendsetter Outdoors. So today I'm going to go explore a high mountain lake near the town of Tincup. It's called Mirror Lake. Apparently they have stalker rainbows out there, but also I hear they have brook trout in there. But that's what I want to catch because I love brook trout. I think they're beautiful. I think they're great fish, and I think, well, they're fun to catch. So I'm going to see if I can go catch one on the fly. I hear they're hitting the dry flies right now. But either way, I'm going to go get everything packed up. Got the Jeep all loaded up. Gonna have more videos about that. Gonna do some installs pretty soon. But either way, I'm gonna have stickers coming out. So if you want a sticker, DM me on my Instagram. They're gonna be $5 a pop. And everything's going back to supporting this channel. Thank you all so much. Join the Trendsetter movement. Become a trendsetter. Let's get fishing. Let's go have a great day outside. Alright everyone, so as you can see, I've made it up to Mirror Lake. I don't know if you've seen the Jeep, but that's my Jeep. Gets me from A to B, but I've been exploring a lot of Colorado, and I think this is the most beautiful place I've ever been to here. And just look at just everything around. And as you can see, it still has ice over there. It still has ice over there. So, kind of windy up here. We'll see how I do fly fishing and where I can actually go fish. But I did not dress right for this. I am in shorts and a hoodie, and it is windy and it is cold up here. So we'll see how we do. They say they stock this lake with rainbows. But anyway, I'm going for a brook trout. Now that's what I'm going, either on a dry fly or a streamer. Gonna try not to pick up the spinning rod, but either way, I'm gonna get rigged up and let's get to fishing. Let's go see if we can make something happen. I mean, hopefully you know how beautiful this place is. I mean, good golly, it's amazing out here. And I forgot my backpack. So I'm kind of trekking through to get this little point out here, but I gotta go up and over. And man, it is moist up here. It is so slick. I already stepped in snow. I'm wearing shorts, short socks. Whew. Now I just got to see how I can get to really where I want to go. Looks like some sort of path people have made. Alright, gotta do a little bit of trekking. Hey bear, don't want no bears around. Whew. My legs are gonna be torn up. I just don't want to be around like other people, you know. Okay. I mean, a nice clear stretch of bank. Looks like there's a road around here, but since everything's down, it's just covering it. Let's go for it. Guess I'm already caught on my first bush. Well, looks like I broke off. Gotta retie. Okay, all retied. New tippet, we should be good to go. Oh yeah, there's a storm coming in, and apparently it's supposed to dump some snow. This guy out here is tube fishing the lake, and there's ice on it. He definitely has more stones than I do, because you wouldn't catch me doing that. Oh my God, there's a fish going after it. Oh, I got him. Oh my gosh, I think it's a brookie. Please be a brookie. Yes! My first Colorado brook trout. Oh, please come here. Hey, stop, 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 stop. Oh my gosh. Okay, people, I'm gonna bust out the big camera for this one. But people, you just gotta look at the colors on this fish. I mean, they are so beautiful. I mean, look at his colors. If they're popping out on the screen, maybe I need to hide my face so it'll zoom in. But I mean, these things are beautiful. All right, I'm gonna get a couple pictures and I'm gonna let them go. Get the release shot. Okay. It'll take him a second for him to recuperate. I did keep him out for a little while. He's still gilling though. I'll give a few more casts right here. I'll see if I can move to a different spot. Yeah, I got mad respect for this guy in this tube. He's just out here in the middle of the lake. I think he's fly fishing. I think he has a spinning rod and a fly rod. Find a place. Did it seriously get caught? All right, see if I can find another place. Maybe one that doesn't have as many bushes behind it. So yeah, it does look like there used to be an old road. Comes back through here. I mean, I wouldn't know how to get to it or if it's still, you know, drivable after all the snow melts. All right, let's try it right here. Have a nice open background where I can cast and not worry about bushes. Just on some riprap. Okay, it is starting to snow, and that means it is my time to duck out, because you do not want to be caught up here in a storm. Just a matter of time when that front was gonna come in. But it was a successful trip because I caught my first brookie. Now I just gotta make that crazy trek back to the car. I'll see you there. All right, everyone, so as you can see, it is pretty much a blizzard up here right now. I fell in the water over there, so my legs are freaking soaked and I'm really cold right now. So I decided to stop here at this little place to get a burger in Tincup, and it looks like a really nice little joint out here. Lots of decor, old building. Apparently they have really good burgers, so we'll see. So I recommend it. burgers. So apparently they also have homemade pie with ice cream. Yeah, this place is where it's at. Well everyone, I hope you had a good time watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. So I will be going to that lake definitely again, especially when the snow melts and the fishing's getting good. So we still have a few more weeks before all the rivers and stuff die down before we can go actually stream fishing. So kind of stuck with still water right now. That's what the deal is. So finding large rivers with big eddies or just lakes, that's kind of what I'm stuck with fishing with. So either way, hope you like the video. Like and comment on the video. Tell me more. Do you like the Colorado fishing? Do you like the trout fishing? Are there things you want to see me do? You know, do you want me to do a challenge video for fly fishing, even though I'm not that good at it? But either way, like and comment on the video, subscribe to the channel. I got stickers coming up, so you'll definitely be able to buy those. And either way, join the trend, spread the passion for the outdoors. We'll see you on the next one.